Hi everyone, Jim with CD Nova again, and today we're looking at the Schenck Portable SmartBalancer4. This is a vibration balancer, 1 and 2 plane, and it will also do spectrum analysis and frequency FFT of vibration. So this is a tablet style, very light, very durable unit. If you look in the back, you can see there's the connections for the optical pickup and the vibration speed. So you have extra ports to put in extra sensors. There's the back of the unit. Very light, portable, very durable unit. And what I've got it connected to, I have the two cables going down. One is the optical pickup and one is the vibration sensor. It's just going down to a test rotor. I've got spinning at about 1700 RPM. There's my optical pickup. It's just picking up off a reflective tape on the shaft, and this is my vibration sensor on plane 1. So if we go back and we look at the unit, this is a touch screen. So they have balancing, speed measurement, help menu, settings, file manager, and machine templates. So if I just go into machine templates, I have 1 plane, 2 plane. I can go into 1 plane. And I have a next button here, and for that to be accessible, I have to select these 2 chain links here on plane 1 and my speed. And the moment I do that, they appear. Here's my 1700 RPM, and they're showing vibration on the one sensor that I have connected to that rotor. I can go next. Fantastic graphics on this unit. You have a spectrum analysis on the left side and your protractor for showing your degrees, 0 to 360 degrees, where the unbalance is located. So if I do measure right here, just do an overall, you can see the RPM at the top center of the screen. It's going to do a few measurements, give me an overall vibration reading on the left here, bottom left corner. I can go stop. It will analyze that run, and then you can see the peaks come up on the spectrum analysis on the left, and it'll show you on degrees just off of 45 where the unbalance is located. So if I go next, here it asks me for a trial weight, so I can just simply go in, say I'm going to put 10 grams, about 110, put 10 grams, save it, and it asks me what angle I'd like to put it at. If I wanted to put it at 90 degrees, save that. I'm not actually going to put it on the rotor right now, just to speed up the video. I can say next, and it says trial on the top left. I go measure, and we'll measure that trial weight that I just put on. I can just let it update for a few seconds, go stop. It'll analyze the trial weight, and it'll give me a frequency spectrum of that trial weight. I can go next. Do you want to remove the trial mass? So I can say keep or remove, so I'll say keep it. And it gives me a large number here, like 1,300 grams. It says I need to do on correction 1 because I didn't add the trial weight. But this is just for example. But look on the right, it gives you initial run and trial, tells you what's happening as you go through the whole process. So let's say I did the correction that it asked for. I can go measure. It'll do another update for a few seconds. I can go stop. It'll analyze that run, and it'll show again the spectrum and again where the unbalance is on the protractor. If I go next, do you want to remove the correction mass? I'm going to say keep, and again it'll give me correction 2. It'll say 1,300 grams at angle 243 degrees, and again it'll show me what's happening on the right: initial run, trial, correction 1. You can actually save this as you're progressing through the balancing procedure. If I touch the top right, I can save as. I can save this to a file on the instrument here. It'll ask for a name and a path, or I can go back to that icon and I can print to a PDF, and it will ask you if you want the spectrum on your PDF for your plot, any comments you want to add in, your name, a detailed report. So I have them all highlighted because I've done this before, and it gives you an excellent printout. So I could say print, and it'll ask for a name and a path. So if I save that, it'll actually save it on the instrument. And when I plug it into my laptop, it's waiting for me as a PDF that I can print off for this rotor. So this is just a quick example of what the SmartBalancer4 can do, and a few of the screens that you can expect to see as you're going through it. If you have any comments, any questions, feel free to comment. Thank you.